We gave AI the ultimate challenge: make a viral kids video from scratch. The result? Over 500,000 views, no animation skills, no fancy gear, just free tools and a little creativity using ChatGPT, Suno, and image to video AI. In this video, I'll show you the exact process from writing lyrics and generating characters to animating scenes and syncing the music. It's way easier than you think, and the results are surprisingly adorable. Is this the future of children's entertainment, or just a digital giggle factory? Let's find out. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. All right, let's jump into ChatGPT. The first thing we need to do is open up ChatGPT. Now, we're gonna ask our AI buddy for some inspiration. Let's say something like, give me 10 ideas for a kids counting songs. Let's see what it comes up with. All right. Here are some of the ideas it gave us. Adventure with astronaut Annie counting creatures in the jungle, one tiny token to playful parrots. Out of all of these, I think my favorite is counting creatures in the jungle. So now we'll ask ChatGPT to write the lyrics for that idea. And here's what it gave us. Now let's take a stroll deep into the jungle. Green, come count with me. Let's see what we've seen. Not bad, right? We've got our lyrics. So now it's time to copy them and move on to the next step. Now let's head over to our magical app, Suno AI. This tool is amazing. I love using it, and I'm going to do a full tutorial on Suno in an upcoming video. If you haven't yet, go to suno.com. I've also dropped the link in the description for easy access. It's a fantastic tool that lets you create music and songs for all kinds of creative projects. I'll be doing a full tutorial on it soon because honestly, it deserves it. The new version 4.5 is seriously next level. Improved vocals, better melodies, and even more music genres to choose from. It's awesome. Anyway, for now, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of how to use it. Once you're on the site, click on Create. Paste the lyrics you just got from ChatGPT right into the box. Next, choose your style. In this case, we're going with nursery kids song. Then give your track a name. Just copy the title from ChatGPT or make one up that fits your vibe. We're using version 4.5 beta, which is the latest and most powerful version as of now. You can ignore exclusive styles for this demo. I'm also skipping the negative prompt for now to keep things simple. As for the general settings, just leave them as they are. Once you're ready, hit generate. Let's see what Suno version 4.5 comes up with. And just like that, we've got two amazing kids songs generated in seconds. Let's check out the first one. That's beautiful. I love how it sounds.
Come on, friends, let's take...
Now here we can see all the songs we've generated. Personally, my favorite is the one titled Counting Creatures in the Jungle. So let's go ahead and download it. Just click on download MP3 and it's saved. Easy. Now that we have our song ready, it's time for the next step. We're gonna head back to ChatGPT. Here's what we're doing. With our lyrics and song ready, we'll ask ChatGPT to help us generate images for each scene described in the lyrics. Inside ChatGPT, we are gonna give it a new prompt to turn our lyrics into image ideas. I've already got a prompt prepared. Here's what I'm using. Generate simple prompts to create images for each scene described in the lyrics above. Paste that in, hit generate, and let ChatGPT do its magic. It'll break the lyrics into 10 separate scenes, each with its own description for an image. These will be perfect for creating a musical video later on. Once the descriptions are ready, we can get more specific with the style of images we want. In my case, I'll ask it to describe everything in Pixar style 3D animation. Alternatively, if you already have a reference animation you like, you can even upload that image and ask ChatGPT to describe it for you. Personally, I've got a few animation examples that I love, so I'll upload those to guide the visual style I want. All right, now that we've got our image descriptions from ChatGPT, let's bring them to life. First, I asked ChatGPT to describe what each scene should look like. Then I reused the same prompt. Generate simple prompts to create images for each scene described in the lyrics above. And there it is. Now we've got a full set of image prompts ready to go. Now it's time to generate the actual visuals. You can use any AI image tool you prefer, like Cria AI, Leonardo AI, or Midjourney. Personally, I usually work with Cria AI, but for this demonstration, I'll be using Leonardo AI just to show you that this whole video can be created with 100% free tools. I've dropped the link to Leonardo AI in the description below. So let's dive in. First, log in with your Google account. It's fast and easy. Once you're in, click on image generation. We'll choose the 16:9 aspect ratio since that's the perfect fit for YouTube videos. As for the model, I really like Flux Schnell. It's a solid option for soft animated looks. Now let's head back to ChatGPT and grab our first prompt. Copy it, paste it into Leonardo, and set your preferences. Let's check out the advanced settings, make sure everything's good, and hit generate. Leonardo might take a little longer to render because it's generating more detailed results. The style leans a bit more realistic and less cartoonish, so if it's not quite what we need, no worries. We can adjust. In this case, I'm using Flux Schnell, one of my favorite models. It gave us better results for the animated, colorful jungle style we want. I also tried tweaking the prompt by adding something like 3D cartoon animation style or Pixar style. That helped a lot. After a few tries, I got this one result that looks amazing. Check it out. This one is perfect for our scene. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. All right, let's move on to the next scene. We're going to grab the prompt for the next animation, which features 2 tall giraffes. Now let's copy the giraffe prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. Let's see what it generates. Wow, this one is really cute, beautiful colors, and a friendly cartoon vibe. I like this one a lot. Actually, I'll regenerate one more version to get a few options. It gave me another variation, and honestly, it's even better. Super charming and well-styled. Let's download both of them so we have multiple angles or options to use later in the edit. Looking good. Next up, 3 playful monkeys. Back in Leonardo, I'll paste the new prompt for the monkeys and hit generate. Here we go. Look at these little guys. Super fun animated style, and they're mid-jump, which adds a lot of energy. I'll hit generate again to get an alternate take for editing variety. Nice. This new one is really fun too. I love the bright colors and movement. We now have 2 great options for the monkeys. Bit by bit, our video is starting to come together and it's looking fantastic. Let's repeat the process to create the rest of the images. Now that we've got all our prompts and image scenes ready, it's time to start converting them into video clips. I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to rewrite each of the image descriptions as short video prompts. These will give the video generator clear instructions on how to animate each scene. Let's use an image to video generator to animate the individual scenes we've already created. For this part, I'm using a tool called Halio AI, but you can use any image to video app you like. Daygen AI is another great option. What's great about these platforms is that they usually offer some free credits to get started. I've already set up my account, so I'm ready to go. Let's get started animating. First, upload the image. Let's start with the toucan. Once it's uploaded, I enter a simple prompt describing the motion. Something like, the toucan is dancing and moving its wings. You can either write a simple prompt yourself or copy and paste the one from ChatGPT. Both options work. Sometimes a short prompt gives the best results, so feel free to experiment and see what works best for you. Then hit generate. It'll cost me 30 credits, and now the AI starts turning that image into a short animation. While that's working, let's prep the next one, the 2 giraffes. We upload the giraffe image and repeat the process. We've already uploaded the giraffe image, so now we'll paste in the animation prompt, a 7-second two-shot of the giraffes standing side by side beneath an acacia tree, stretching their necks as the breeze flows gently around them. Once that's set, we click generate, and it starts animating the scene. Each animation only takes a minute or two, and just like that, we're transforming our static AI art into animated scenes for our music video. All right, let's check out our finished animated clips. So here's the toucan clip. It looks great. The AI followed our prompt perfectly. You can see it opening its wings just as described. Now let's check out the giraffe clip. Both giraffes are stretching their necks exactly like we asked in the prompt. You'll notice there's a watermark on the clip since we're using the free plan, but that's easy to fix. Just head over to 123apps.com and you should be able to remove it easily. If you'd like a step-by-step guide, I've explained how to do it in one of my previous videos. Feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Now let's jump into the editing phase. Once you've finished generating all your animated clips, it's time to bring everything into your video editor. For this video, we're using CapCut, a simple and beginner-friendly video editor. I'll drop the link in the description for you. And if you'd like a full CapCut tutorial, let me know in the comments. Step 1, we're going to import all the video clips we just created. Go ahead and select all your final video files. Just drag and drop them into your editing timeline. Now they're all in place, ready to be assembled. Step 2, import your song. Import the song we generated earlier with Suno. This is our main track, and everything will be synced to this audio. Step 3, start arranging the clips. We'll begin with the first scene, the toucan. Drop it right at the start of the timeline and match it to the first line of the song. Now go one by one. 2 giraffes, 3 monkeys, 4 frogs, and so on, syncing each video clip with the lyrics and beat of the music. Take your time here to make sure everything flows naturally. Step 4, add transitions. Once your clips are in place, you'll want to add a few simple transitions between scenes. Don't overdo it. Sometimes just a clean fade or slide is enough. Use transitions strategically where the mood or pace changes. Step 5, sync the visuals with the beat. This is super important. Make sure that each animal scene hits right on the beat or lyric that mentions it. It helps the viewer connect visually with the rhythm of the song. Step 6, add sound effects. Want to make it even more fun? Add a few extra sound effects like frog croaks, monkey squeals, or buzzing bees. These can add a playful touch, especially for kids. Just make sure the sound effects don't clash with the main music. Use them subtly to enhance the experience. Step 7, add captions. At this stage, we're going to generate the on-screen lyrics that match the song we created earlier. Let's head over to the text section in our editor, then go into advanced settings and look for an option called identify lyrics. Now, under language, select English and then click on generate lyrics. And just like that, it starts pulling the full lyrics from the audio track. You'll see the system automatically detecting and syncing each line. After a few seconds, the lyrics will appear on the timeline, matched with the beat of the song. Once the lyrics are generated, the next step is to choose the right style. You can go with a simple text format, but if you want to make it more fun and colorful for kids, let's explore some template options. Inside the style panel, there are different caption templates to choose from. I personally like this one. It's clean and very easy to read. Another great one is the playful template with bright colors and big rounded text, perfect for a kid's theme. You can also hover over each style to preview how it looks before applying it. If you're aiming for something extra visual, go with a colorful animated text style. That works especially well with upbeat music like this. Now, if the default font is too small or too subtle, you can make quick edits. increase the font size, change text color to something brighter, position the lyrics lower or center screen depending on your layout. Let's preview how it looks. Play the video back, and yep, it looks great. The captions are synced, easy to read, and visually match the tone of the video. This step makes a huge difference, especially for educational or sing-along style content. It helps make the video more engaging and accessible for all learners. And just like that, we've added perfectly timed, colorful lyrics to our animated music video. Let's check out the completed song.
Come on, friends, let's take a stroll deep into the jungle, green and old. Count with me as we go, feeling bold. Here's what we see in number code: one colorful toucan perched on a branch so high, waving at us 'neath the sunny sky. Two tall giraffes nibbling leaves up high, stretching long necks to reach the sky. Three playful monkeys swinging from the trees, chattering and tumbling in the breeze. Four little frogs hop with so much ease, leaping lily pads with perfect expertise. Five striped zebras prancing side by side, with friendly eyes and big bright smiles wide. Galloping across grass in the warm sunlight, our zebra pals make this count so right. Counting critters in the jungle, 1, 2, 3. Jungle friends all around us, wild and free. Every number brings a new surprise. Come along, let's open our eyes. Counting critters in the jungle, 4, 5, 6. To the rhythm of the rain, 4 drumsticks. 7, 8, 9, 10. Sing out again, learning numbers with our jungle friends. 6 chubby snakes coiled on a mossy log, their bright scales glinting through the morning fog. Softly smile snakes all in a line, wiggling gently, oh they look so fine. 7 cheeky alligators splash in the stream, grinning wide with a playful gleam. They lounge on the bank in the golden light, our reptile pals are quite the sight. 8 buzzing bees hum by the hive, gathering nectar so flowers survive. Darting round blooms in the sunny air, little yellow bees with stripes to share. 9 mighty lions roar at sunrise, their golden manes gleam before our eyes. Standing proud on a rocky ledge so grand, the kings of the jungle rule this land. 10 gentle elephants march trunk to tail, through sunlit grass and dusty trail. Stamping soft feet they parade in line, our elephant friends are simply too right. Counting critters in the jungle, 1, 2, 3. Jungle friends all around us, wild and free. Every number brings a new surprise. Come along, let's open our eyes. Counting critters in the jungle, 4, 5, 6. To the rhythm of the rain, 4 drumsticks. 7, 8, 9, 10. Sing out again, learning numbers with our jungle friends.
And that's it. You just saw how easy it is to create a full kids music video using only AI tools, no animation skills, no expensive gear. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to dive deeper into any part of the process. I've got more tutorials on the way, so hit the bell and I'll see you in the next one.